Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. Today's video is going to be a palette bingo with the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. Now I know people probably think this is a pumpkin spice palette. You usually only use pumpkin spice stuff during like the fall time. That is not true. I totally just realized that I did not put a lippy on. I think this one will look good. Need a little sparkle to the lips. I don't want to put any lipstick on because I just, no. Ooh, this one tastes good. Or like, smells good. It's the Cake Shake from Fenty Beauty. Very pretty. Okay, that goes really well with this look. So anyway, I think you can use these colors in this palette all year round. So this video is a collab, is a bingo, palette bingo collab with my girl, Laura, Mom on the Edge here on YouTube. I'll have her, I can't talk today. I'll have her channel linked down below. We chose 5 colors for each other, which I just put mine on Google and have them choose, like, there's 18 shades in this palette. So I had them choose, where did the number 18 go? There it is. 1 through 18, and then it chose numbers for her. Last time we did this together, we got a few of the same shades. This time we didn't, but I put little stickers by where my shades are. So I got 1, 5, 9, 13, and 18. So it's just easier for me to, instead of counting all of the time, sticking little sticky notes on it. And it's just very helpful. So be sure you go check out Laura. I have a little fuzzy on my lip. Be sure to go check out Laura. She is gorgeous. We both have tattoos. I'm wondering, I think she has more tattoos than me, actually. I don't know. We've never really like compared that, but I'm excited for this new year because my goal is to try to get as fully covered tattoo-wise as I can. And I will be, once I'm getting this sleeve done very soon. Once I get this sleeve done, I'm going to do a full video on like my tattoos and the stories behind them and stuff like that. So anyway, like I said, go check out Laura. She's gorgeous. She does makeup videos and a handful of other videos. And I'm just a hot mess today, guys. Just a hot mess. Anyway, I'm going to go into this video. It's probably going to be short but sweet. I'm going to show you kind of how I achieved this eye look and then give you an up close at the end of what it looks like. And yeah, if you want to see any, I need to shut up. If you want to see any, like, I can't talk. If you want to see any videos from me, like any video request, definitely leave them down below. Anyway, I'm going to shush. You guys can see how I did this look. Yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my streets. Yeah, high school was hard, you'd fight with my mom, I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars. Now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. At 21. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. I'm just on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh, oh, and you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep. I smell the smoke in the air, but that was normal for me. I didn't know. I didn't know. But now I'm 21. It's all of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21.
Okie doke, here's an up close on how the eyes look. Again, like I always say in my videos, I don't take forever to blend out my eyeshadow. I just do it how I want to do it. And this turned out very pretty, in my opinion. I like it. Tell me what you guys think down below. Yeah. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Getting a little hyped. I have my Cinnabon iced coffee, and it's delicious. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me, be sure you hit that. I have this little fuzziness driving me nuts. Be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I do have a huge giveaway going on right now. Once my Instagram hits 1K, we're only at 936, I think, right now. So you guys can go and re-enter, tag all your friends that you've already tagged, and try to have them follow. Because once we hit 1K, then I choose the winner. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodaloo.